Recently, my colleague tried to enter a fraction in Excel. Here's what happened. My colleague typed half into a cell, but instead of a fraction, Excel changed it to January 2nd. This is a common issue, but there's a simple solution. First, select the cell where you want to insert the fraction. Type the fraction directly into the cell, like half. As you can see, Excel changes it to a date. To correct this, we need to change the cell format. Right-click the cell and select Format Cells from the context menu. In the Format Cells dialog box, go to the Number tab and select Fraction from the list on the left. Choose the type of fraction format you want, such as up to 1 digit or up to 2 digits. Then click OK. Now, let's try another one. Select a new cell, type 3/4, and again, format it as a fraction. Your fraction is displayed just as you wanted, without any issues. And that's it. You've successfully inserted and formatted fractions in Excel. No more dates where fractions should be. For any type of training related to advanced Excel, macros, Office 365, Google Workspace, data analytics, you can contact me on the number mentioned. Requesting you to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.